In this video, we're going to show you how to install the brake light switch on your Nissan Murano located above the brake pedal. Now, if you follow the brake pedal arm up, you're going to locate the brake light switch right here. Now, there's going to be two of them. The bottom one here is actually the brake light switch. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. And you want to rotate it counterclockwise, and it will pop out. Pull this down. It's going to be a connector right here. We need to press in on this little tab right here to release the connector from it. Go ahead and take your component here. Install the connector. Let's go ahead and line this up. I'm going to insert it into this white retainer right here. As you push this down and on, checking the position of the brake arm here. And you're going to press that in until the button presses in. You see it collapse on that. I'm going to press it in, and then we're going to rotate it to lock it into place. Rotate it clockwise. It'll lock it into place so that when you press the pedal down, it releases that switch. You now want to go ahead and test it, and at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.